Look, if you're posting cute pins, but you're not making any money from it, you're doing it wrong. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, I am Sharnique, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys step by step on how to properly link your affiliate links to your Pinterest pins so you can start earning some money. Okay, so you're going to click the plus button at the bottom and you're going to add your pin, your newest pin, right? So I'm going to do this one. This is a skincare video. So I'm going to take this video and we're going to press next, right? So first things first, you want to go in and add your title. Now, the thing about Pinterest, to really build real success and great engagement off of your Pinterest pins, keywords is your best friend, okay? Do not be lazy when it comes to this, okay? So you want to have as many keywords as you can, because this is going to allow Pinterest to really push your pin out to the people that are searching these things up, right? So this is a skincare video. I'm going to say morning skincare routine for dark spots, hyperpigmentation, hyperpigmentation. I'm gonna say oily skin, dry skin. I'm just adding in those keywords to the title, y'all. Oily skin, dry skin. Let's do summer. Add in summer because it can be a summer skincare routine. I'm also going to add the brand's name, so Kiehl's, okay? So for my description, again, you want to be as detailed as possible. So for my description, I am going to copy and paste the title, and I'm just going to add more to my description. I'm also going to say using new skincare products from Kiehl's. I feel like I'm spelling Kiehl's wrong. Also, what I also like to do is, and you can't add in too much because the description box also has like a text limit. So I like to also go in and just copy and paste my caption that I had on my my Instagram post. And I like to just add in my caption. So I'm going to copy and paste the skincare product part and then also the hashtags, because you also want to include those hashtags in there as well, right? So I have, I'm going to take this part out though. Cool. Also this part as well, because we don't need that. So I have my hashtags. I have I can take out Dallas content creator. I'm just going to focus on skincare hashtags. So like hyperpigmentation, boom. Let's see, oily skin. So yeah, you want to just type in different hashtags that's relating to the video. So skincare hashtags, you can do, they got skincare, they got skin health, they have so many different hashtags that you can include in the description. So like I said, you want to be as very detailed and use those key words in your description. And then for the link option, I would leave that blank. You don't need to include a link. Now you're going to pick your board. So again, you want to make sure you have different boards for different categories, because again, this helps Pinterest push out your content even more, and it's just good when it comes to that SEO. I am going to include this in my hygiene, body care, and skincare album. Now you can also tag related topics. So again, I'll type in, they have skincare routines, skincare products, clear skin, skincare tips, oily skin, skincare tools, healthy skin. They only give you a limit of 10 tag topics, so try to get as many as you can. Even if you don't see something that's not on there, just get as many as you can. You can type in any word to see if they have any options. So I'll type in like face, for instance. They have face mask up here. Yeah, face scrub, face cream. So now I ran out of my limit. You can only add 10 topics. So I'm going to press done. Now this is where the magic happens. You are going to tap tag products, and this is where you are going to include your affiliate links, y'all. So again, we're going to link our Amazon affiliate links to this tag. So you're going to click the plus sign at the bottom, and then you're going to go to use a link, right? So I'm going to go to my Amazon app, and I'm going to type in all the products that I am using in this video, even down to the robe, to the spa headband. So we're going to do spa headband first. Let's start with what we are wearing in the video, right? So yeah, we're gonna do spa headband. I'm going to tag this. So how you want to tag your affiliate link? So first of all, you want to make sure that you are an affiliate on the Amazon store, on the Amazon app, Amazon influencer, and you are signed up under the Amazon Associates program. Then this is how you're going to link your affiliate link. Now you can link from any other affiliate program. Like if you are an affiliate straight from Kiehl's, for instance, like if Kiehl's has an affiliate program and you're signed up under it, then you can also link your affiliate link from there. I like to go to my Amazon one because I am an affiliate on the Amazon platform. So this is your sign to sign up for the Amazon affiliate platform. If you have not checked out my Amazon influencer video, I talk about all of that. And I also have my Amazon influencer guide that you can also purchase, and it has all the details plus more on how to really become a part of the Amazon Associates program, aka to how to become an Amazon influencer, everything you need to know about affiliate marketing and all of that. If you are not already signed up as an Amazon influencer, go sign up for it so you can start linking your links to your Pinterest pins and you can start getting commission, right? Let's move on. So I'm going to click on where you guys see the heart, and then next to the heart there's the link sign. So I'm going to click on that, and I am going to copy my associates link. So you have an option to do share none associates link, and you have the copy associates link. I'm going to copy the associates link because I want my commission, duh. So I am going to copy my associates link. We're going to go back to the Pinterest platform, and we're going to paste that link, and we're going to put search, and then we're going to give it a while to come up. And once it comes up, you want to click. Now, right here, it says this is an affiliate link or sponsored product. You want to make sure that is always turned on, okay? This is a part of Pinterest guidelines. You want to make sure that that is always turned on because you are promoting an affiliate link. That is always turned on, right? So once you have that, you're going to press create. And then you're going to press that plus sign. And you're going to keep going back until you have added everything that you need to add in that video. So another thing that I used in this video was spa. I used the facial wristbands. You choose any one you want to choose. So I'm going to choose the one that has the white wristband because that's the one that I was wearing. Same thing, copy your associate's link, paste the link in the search. And then once it comes up, you are going to click the item, press create, and you pretty much want to continue that same step until you have added all the products that you are mentioning in the video. You want to be as detailed as possible. Like even if you are only linking the skincare, also link in what you have on. Like people might want to know, oh, where did she get her headband? Where did she get her white robe? Where did she get her spa wristbands? I want that too. Like link everything in the video, okay? Because you never know what shoppers are shopping for. You never know if they might see something else in the video that they might want. I'm not posting this because I already have a post up there. But anywho, once we're done adding everything and adding all our tag products, we're going to press done. And then you're going to press create. You can schedule your posts if this helps you out. I usually don't schedule my Pinterest posts. I just post them. But if you want to schedule your post, you can schedule your post, or you can save it as a draft and come back to it. Once you're done, you're going to press create, and then that's it. So I'm going to show you how it looks. This is my Pinterest account. So this is how it looks. Once it's posted, you have all the details in there, like you see my description and all of that. And then if you look right here at shop the look, these are all of the products that I have tagged in my video. So when people come across my pen and they want to know, where did she get her stuff from, where can I get these skincare products, where can I find the road, yada 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 yada, they can scroll down and it's already tagged for them, and they can click on it, and then they can visit the site, and my affiliate link is linked to the product. So if they decide to buy it, add it to the cart, and press checkout, I get paid for that. I get that commission. Okay. Now I posted this pen. I also want to show you guys the stats on the pen already, because I posted this pen, I want to say 5 days ago. So I want to show y'all the engagement that I've already gotten on this pen. So I've already gotten 410 impressions, 16 16 pen clicks, and then 2 people have saved the pen. And this is, I posted this on the 29th. It's been a few days already since I posted that. So yeah, I'm excited to see this grow and continue to get more engagement, because I'm telling y'all, my Pinterest goes crazy. Okay. But yeah, so that is how you would properly link your affiliate links to your Pinterest pins to gain and earn commission, y'all. Okay. So you don't want to just post pretty pins and that's it. Like, you want to be also earning some type of money. Girl, this is the internet. This is social media. Like, you should be making money from this. I don't care. Like, you should be making money for posting on these platforms. You should be bringing in some kind of coin. Okay. I hope this video was helpful. If you guys want to know more about just earning on Pinterest and building real passive income on Pinterest, then check down below in my description box and check out my Pinterest guide, my Pinterest marketing ebook, where I break all of it down on how to really build real success from the Pinterest platform, and also how to really gain good passive income from Pinterest alone. So if that's you and you're ready to learn and earn, okay, check down below in my description box and go grab that ebook today. I hope this motivates you to really go on Pinterest and really just take good advantage of the platform, because it is a great platform. I love it over there, and it's a great platform to build passive income. So let me know down in the comment section what other things you guys want to know. Don't forget to check out my Amazon influencer video, where I also break down everything you need to know about Amazon, how to become an Amazon influencer, and how to really get approved in the Amazon Associates program. Okay, so you can be out here making money. Okay, like, who doesn't want to make money? Yeah. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. Love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.